Namaskar, friends. A good question has come up: how to deal with moody people? If you ask me, don't deal with moody people. Allow them to come out of their moods and then deal with them. But that's not the scenario. Maybe you may have moody people who are working close with you in your office, or people living in your own home who could become very moody. How do you deal with them? A person is victim of the moods when, according to them, the life is not going in the way it should go through. Life is not happening in the way it has to happen. It is not in the pattern which it has to happen. Therefore, they fall a victim to their mind, and the mind by design cannot be happy. The mind has made, the person's mind is dependent on situations, people, scenarios over which they have no control, and things go their way, they are happy, the moods are good. If the things are not going their way, they seem to be affected by the moods. A great thinker by name Swami Ramatirtha says, your social obligation is to be cheerful, joyful, energetic. Your social obligation is to be cheerful, joyful, energetic. If you're sad, morose, he says, lock yourself in the room. Don't come out and spread the disease of sadness, melancholy, trauma. It looks like a harsh suggestion, but friends, I want to add to another. There's a beautiful poem: laugh and the world laughs with you, weep and you weep alone. Laugh and the world laughs with you, weep and you weep alone. Be glad your friends are many, be sad you lose them all. Laugh and the world laughs with you, weep and you weep alone. Let's learn to laugh at life. And I say laugh at life, it is, once the laughter is there, the seriousness is gone. The seriousness is gone. You can't be a victim of your moods. So it's essential that to have all emotions but not become emotional, to have all sentiments but not to become sentimental. So therefore, you don't become a victim of your moods. Life may go one way or the other. It's okay. It's okay. Build your character, develop your intellect, have the right satsang, read books which is gonna inspire you, motivate you, and you will see that you are not a victim of moods anymore. You will be able to deal with your life in a better way. Think about it. Friends, if you like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Let more people get benefited. We have over 100 short videos meant for self-development, spiritual alignment. So, and you can also subscribe to our channel, spread this word around, let more people get benefited. Let's do this service to humanity. Let us make people experience happiness, and let us help people live their life in a better way, in a glorious way. Thank you.